Choti Chidia? Sadly? Why do I look so different from everyone else? I feel so out of place.
Chutki. Look at that little bird. It doesn't look like any bird I've seen before. See, even it knows it's different.
Papu? Yes, it looks so strange. Why doesn't it look like us? We should leave it alone. It doesn't belong with us.
Rajans, swans, seeing Choti Chidia. Hello there, little one. Why do you look so sad? Kindly. Come with us, little one. You don't have to feel alone.
Shyly. I don't fit in. Other birds laugh at me 'cause I look different. But maybe they won't. They look kind. Maybe we were wrong. And won't you laugh at me too? I'm not like you or anyone else.
We would never laugh at you. You're beautiful, just like us. Come look into the water with us. Do you think those swans will laugh at it too? Oh no, we were wrong to make fun of it.
Yes, look how happy it is now. We didn't see how special it was. Wait! I look like you! Am I really one of you? He didn't mean to hurt you. We see now that everyone is special in their own way.
I'm sorry we teased you. We didn't understand.
Choti Chidia? Sadly. Yes, from now on, we'll be kind to everyone.
Yes, you are one of us. You were always a swan. You just didn't know it yet.
Am I really one of you?
You're beautiful just as you are. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. We learned our lesson. We should accept others no matter how they look. Welcome to our family, little swan. You are home now.